Transform your dog's meals from bland kibble to a vibrant feast of wholesome goodness right in your own kitchen. Today, we're diving into how to craft your own natural, nutritious dog food, ensuring your furry friend gets the very best first. Let's talk ingredients. Fresh, whole foods are key. Think lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, or lean ground beef. And a colorful medley of dog-safe vegetables and fruits. Carrots for their beta-carotene, broccoli for fiber, and blueberries for antioxidants are fantastic choices. Next, protein and carbohydrates. Always cook your meats thoroughly to eliminate any harmful bacteria. Simple grains like brown rice or quinoa are excellent sources of energy. Ensure they are cooked until tender, making them easy to digest. Avoid any seasonings or spices that are toxic to dogs, like garlic or onions. Portion control is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. The amount of food your dog needs depends on their breed, age, activity level, and overall health. A general starting point is about 23% of their ideal body weight per day. Split into 2 meals, it's always best to consult with your veterinarian to determine the perfect portion size for your individual dog. Safety first. Always use clean utensils and food preparation surfaces. Store homemade dog food in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze portions for longer storage. Thaw frozen food in the refrigerator before serving. By making your own dog food, you're not just treating your canine companion to a delicious meal. You're investing in their long-term health and well-being. Remember to introduce any new food gradually to avoid digestive upset. Your dog will thank you with a wagging tail and a healthier, happier life.